In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allocate a credit note in Xero. This is a useful skill for managing your business's finances more effectively. We'll take things step by step to ensure that everything is perfectly clear. To start, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to the Xero website. Once you're there, log into your account using your usual credentials. This will bring you to your Xero dashboard, which is the central hub for all your accounting tasks. From here, look for the Sales tab. It's generally located in the main menu on your dashboard. Click on it and you'll find yourself with a few different options related to the sales aspect of your business. Here, you're going to focus on Invoices. Click Invoices to proceed. This section contains all the invoices you've sent out, and it is a great place to keep track of outgoing payments and what is owed by your customers. Now, you'll need to locate the specific invoice that has a credit note you want to allocate. Look for an indicator on the invoice that shows it has a CR or a credit note associated with it. This is usually a clear marker, and once you spot this, click on that particular invoice to open it up. When you open the invoice, you'll see additional details, including any linked credit notes. At this point, you should see a button or link to credit note. Click on this to continue to the next step in the process. Now, you'll be able to see the details of the credit note itself. To make sure everything is exactly how you want it, you should click on Edit. This will allow you to make any necessary changes to the credit note. For instance, if you've noticed an error or if you wish to update any information, now is your chance to do so. Take your time to review and adjust the information as required. Once you've made all the desired edits, it's crucial to save your changes. Look for the Save button and click it. This ensures that your updates are permanently recorded in the system. Keeping everything updated and accurate in Xero not only helps in maintaining clean financial records, but also assists in efficient future audits or reviews. And there you have it. You've successfully allocated a credit note in Xero. By following these steps, you're ensuring that your financial records are accurate and that you have a clear understanding of the credits related to each invoice. This process makes managing your business finances more transparent and easier to handle in the long run. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you.